What if the most productive worker in the world is not a human, and not an AI either? It's both. And if you're still working the old way, you might already be falling behind. But here's the strange part. The future of work is not AI replacing humans, it's something much more powerful. And almost nobody understands how it really works. Intro: the big shift for decades. Productivity meant one thing: work harder, work longer, do more tasks. But that model is breaking. Today, a single person with AI can produce the output of an entire team. Writers create content faster. Developers build tools in hours. Designers generate ideas instantly. But here's the mistake people make. They think AI is a tool. It's not. AI is becoming something closer to a workflow partner. And once you understand this shift, everything about work changes. Open loop, the hidden problem, but there's a problem. Most people using AI today are using it completely wrong. They treat AI like a search engine. Ask a question, get an answer. But the real power of AI is not in asking questions. It's in building workflows. And this is where the future begins. Section 1. What a workflow actually is. A workflow is simply a sequence of steps. Input, process, output. For example, imagine creating a YouTube video. Old workflow: research topic, write script, edit script, create title, write description, generate ideas for thumbnails. One person doing everything. Slow, exhausting. Now add AI. New workflow: you brainstorm ideas with AI. AI helps research the topic. AI drafts the script. You refine the message. AI creates titles and descriptions. You choose the best ones. The work is still yours, but the speed multiplies. This is not automation. This is collaboration. Section 2. The human plus AI model. Think of AI like a super intern. It works instantly. It never gets tired. It can generate thousands of ideas. But it still needs direction. That's where humans come in. Humans provide judgment, creativity, taste, strategy. AI provides speed, scale, computation, iteration. When combined, something interesting happens. The human stops doing repetitive work and starts focusing on high-value thinking. And that's the real shift. Open loop, the productivity multiplier. But here's the part that surprises people. AI doesn't just make work faster, it changes who can do the work. And this could reshape entire industries. Section 3. The rise of the one-person team. In the past, building something big required teams. A company needed writers, designers, marketers, developers, analysts. Now, one person with the right AI workflow can perform many of those roles. Not perfectly, but fast enough to compete. This is why we're seeing the rise of solo creators, indie developers, small AI-powered businesses. People are building projects that used to require entire departments. And this trend is just beginning. Section 4. The real skill of the future. So what skill will matter most in the AI era? Not coding, not writing, not even technical knowledge. The real skill is workflow design. Knowing what tasks should AI do? What tasks should humans do? Where should the handoff happen? The best workers of the future will not just complete tasks. They will design systems. Systems where humans and AI work together seamlessly. Section 5. The 3 layers of future workflows. Most powerful AI workflows have 3 layers. Layer 1. Idea generation. AI generates options, topics, concepts, drafts. Humans select the best direction. Layer 2. Rapid production. AI accelerates execution, drafts content, generates variations, processes data. Humans refine and improve. Layer 3. Human judgment. The final decisions remain human because AI can produce, but humans decide what matters. And this balance is the key. Too much AI, and the work becomes generic. Too little AI, and the work becomes slow. The future belongs to people who find the perfect balance. Open loop. The biggest mistake, but there's one mistake that could make people lose their advantage. And millions are already making it. Section 6. The danger of passive AI use: if you only use AI to replace thinking, you become dependent on it. Your skills weaken, your creativity fades. But if you use AI to expand thinking, something different happens. You explore more ideas. You test more possibilities. You iterate faster. AI becomes a thinking amplifier, not a thinking replacement. And that difference will define who thrives in the AI age.